Second example. Okay, so deriving appropriate conclusion, second example. So see how to solve this type of a question. First of all, it is given that a plus d equals to b plus c. It is already given. Then a plus e equal to c plus d. Right. Suppose this is 1, this is 2, and 2c is less than a plus e. This is 3. And 2a greater than b plus c. This is 4. Okay, we find the following conclusion. Which of the following conclusion is definitely true? We just derive the conclusion, not connect and said the path is completed or not. Okay, check either or etc. We just derive which is exactly true, which conclusion is exactly 100% true. Okay, then see in 3, take this one. In 3 put which value? That means 2. Put 2. In 3 means this one. In place of a plus e, just put c plus d. That means 2c is less than what? A plus e equals to c plus d. So c plus d. Right? That implies that c cancel. That means c is less than d. So this is your 5. This is your 5. C less than d. Similarly, 2a is greater than b plus c. Now in 4 put b plus c, that means 1. Okay, that implies that 2a is greater than b plus c equals to what? A plus d. That implies that a is greater than what? D. So this is your 6, right? And combine 5 with 6. Combine 5 with 6. Okay, that means from 5 we find d greater than c. Am I correct? C is less than d means d is greater than c, right? Then this one is what? A is greater than d. That means a is here. A is greater than d. Okay, so combining 5 to 6 we find a greater than d greater than c, right? You now check from the option which is order, proper order. The order is visible here. A, D, C. A greater than D greater than C. Or if you want to check again and properly and connect all the elements. Okay. So use this one. Suppose use first one. Use first one means A plus D equals to B plus C. Here C is smaller and D is greater. C is smaller than D. Am I correct? C is smaller than D. So obviously what is the relation between A and B? What is the relation between A and B? What is the relation? That means A is less than, A is smaller than. Okay. So you just write here greater. That means A is smaller than B. That means B is greater than A. A is smaller than B. That means B is greater than A. Okay. And simple, very simple. Then if you put this one, A greater than D here, A greater than D, that means D is smaller. So what is the relation between E and C? So E is smaller than C. That means C is greater than E. C is greater than E. Now you properly connect all the elements and find the order. That means in which order? B greater than A, greater than D, greater than C, greater than E. So which one? The answer is B. B greater than A, greater than D, greater than C, greater than E. This is your answer. Right? So in the previous pattern we check the path. Here you don't check the path. You try to derive the conclusion, whether the conclusion is 100% true or not. That means it mathematically derive using the above statements, right? For example, take first one, second one, third one, fourth one. In place of A plus E, put C plus D, right? And find the relation. That means C less than D. First one. Similarly, we find A greater than D. and combine this one, that means A greater than D greater than C. Then applying again the logic, that means put this one C less than D, we find what here A is greater than what, that means A is less than B, B is greater than D. So finally we find this series. So this is your correct answer, this is your 100% type of true type of conclusion. Okay.